Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been forever and a day since I have uploaded or even filmed anything. The last few months honestly have just been super busy and I have really lacked motivation to do anything besides work, eat, and sleep, and watch my TV shows, of course. But yeah, obviously some things have changed. Yeah, like I got my hair cut and I think that's the only thing. I also gained some stress weight. But anyway, so today I wanted to share with you all some of my first impressions of just a little bit of new makeup that I got in the last few weeks, and I'm super excited to try these out. So I got a few things from the ColourPop Spring Forward collection. I have the New Theory Lippy Sticks collection, and I also have the Just Do It Highlighting Cheek Duo. And I also got the Morphe and Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighting palette. Oh, and then I got a few ColourPop Luxe lips. I'm excited to try all of these out for you all today. So if you're interested in watching some of my first impressions of these new products, then please keep watching and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I think that I want to start off with the ColourPop Just Do It highlighting cheek duo. First of all, just the packaging of these ColourPop products, like they're so gorgeous and just so bright, and the yellow makes me super happy. It's like one of my happy colors and I love it. Then it just comes in the usual like packaging for ColourPop's cheek products. So there's no mirror, just letting you know, but that's fine. Yeah, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and use Zip. Taking my mirror over here because, like I said, the other thing don't got a mirror. And I'm using my Morphe M435 blush brush. Oh, that's pigmented. That's cute. I love this. All right, so this is the blush on. I really like this color. I think it really suits me. It's cute. I think I'm curious to see what Zoom looks like also. And here's just a swatch of Zoom, and here's a swatch of Zip. So these are supposed to like go together, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna go in with the same brush. It's supposed to be more of like the highlighter, but you know, what does this even look like? To be honest, I don't think that did a lot to the look, but it's pretty, it goes together, so that's a thing. Yeah, I mean, I like ColourPop's cheek products, like their powdered cheek products. I think they're really nice quality for the price point, and I really like this color. So nothing bad to say about that. Now let's get into the Morphe and Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighting palette. So again, this is the packaging, and inside, again, no mirror. You get 6 highlighting shades that can range from all kinds of different skin tones. And then also the palette comes with a fan brush, actually, that is also part of the collab. So it's kind of like a bamboo ferrule? I don't know. So this is the fan brush that it comes with, and then it also says Morphe and Bretman down here at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all some swatches. So here is Baby Girl, Vacation, Mahou, Get Laid. Here's Chihu. So these are 5 of the colors on my fingers. So again, Baby Girl, Vacation, Mahou, Get Laid, and then Chihu. All right, so I think what I want to use is, I don't know, I'm confused. I don't know what I want to use. Okay, I think I'm going to use Vacation on the tops of my cheekbones, and then I'm also going to use Mahou on my inner corner. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in with Vacation and the fan brush. I'm just going to take a little bit or a lot. Oh, that is nice. That looks wet on the skin. That looks blinding. Ooh, I look a little sweaty. I like it. I like it a lot. I am not the biggest fan of I am not the biggest fan of fan brushes, to be honest. So I'm actually going to go ahead and try it with my Morphe M510 brush, which is what I usually use to highlight. So I'm gonna try that Vacation again, just with the brush that I normally use. I just feel like I have a little bit more control with this one. Oh yeah, wow. And yeah, oh my God, I look so good. I'm just beautiful, you know? Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Mahu, which is a little bit deeper than Vacation. I'm just gonna put this on my nose. Ooh, that's definitely like more yellowy. I like it, I like it. My nose looks taller now. And then I think I'm gonna also use this on the inner corner over here. That is gorgeous. I cannot get over, wow, just like how luminous and glowy I look. It's really good. I really like this a lot. I feel like I should just go ahead and use some of the other colors. Why not, right? Let's use Baby Girl, maybe just on the brow bone. So this one's more of like has a pinky sheen to it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I can see it. What about on this side? Wow, wow, wow. I look like a glowing goddess. I love it. I look like a babe in paradise is what I look like. And just look at my nose. Like, look at I can't stop even, like I can't even stop looking at myself in the freaking thing and I need to stop because I need to look at you. I need to look at you. You see me, I see you. You see this highlight, bro? Like, you can see this from miles away. Not lying. Like, the people at my pool can probably see how freaking blinding I am right now. Okay. Okay, so now let's go back to ColourPop and let's try out some of the New Theory Spring Lippy Sticks. And I also have some Luxe lipsticks that it's my first time trying them, so I'm really excited to do that. Let's go ahead and start with the ColourPop Lippy Sticks. So the New Theory collection comes with 6 lippy sticks of different finishes, I believe. So this is Ink Blot. It is a matte lippy sticks. So this is like a warm nude. I really like the formula of their matte lippy sticks because I still get that matte look. It's just much more comfortable than a matte liquid lipstick, for example. This is Psych. It is also a matte. It is brighter than Ink Blot, but still along kind of the same color family. Next, we have Little Things, which is a cream formula. So this is a little bit more pink compared to the other two, and it is going to be a lot more creamy, hence a cream formula. God, Chrissy, you're so stupid. Ooh, this one smells like candy. The other ones don't smell like anything. This smells like vanilla. Pink isn't my favorite, so I'm probably going to give this to my mom. Mom, here you go. Happy early birthday. Next, we have a bright red, which is Lullaby, and this is a matte X, and it's actually more of like a red orange. Oh, that went on like butter. Holy crap, these are smooth. That is nice. I'm really excited about like orangey red colors this spring, and you'll see that because I think the Luxe lips that I got are like more on the orangey side. Okay, next we have another pink color, which is Persuasion, and it is also a matte. Actually, it's, I guess, like a mauve. This is not going on as smooth as the Matte X or the other mattes that I had on. This is like tugging a little bit. Ow! It hurts. Yeah, no, this just does not feel as smooth as the other ones. It's still a really pretty color, and it's still like comfortable once it's on, but applying it, ooh, this is not, the other ones are much smoother. All right, and the last color in the New Theory Lippie 6 collection is this deep red, which is Fly Fi, and it is also a Matte X. It's kind of like a burnt red, I would say. This better go on way smoother than the other one, because, oh yeah, this is nice. This just glides on the lips. Like, it's not an in-your-face red, but it still leans towards red, and it still kind of comes off as red, especially like right what I can see in the camera. But yeah, like I said, I think the Matte X formulas are just super smooth. They seriously glide on your lips like butter compared to the matte formula. But some of these other mattes were much nicer than Persuasion. I don't know why Persuasion was giving me some issues, but it had problems with me and I had problems with it. Anyway, so that is the ColourPop Lippie 6 New Theory collection from their Spring Forward launch, and I really like all of those colors. They definitely scream spring to me, and I'm really excited to wear all of that. But I'm also really excited to try these other Luxe lips, so let's get into that. So like I said earlier, these are my first ColourPop Luxe lips. I am really excited to try these. When they first launched, girl, that shit sold out so quick. I couldn't even try. But here is the rose gold packaging with the stars on it and everything, and the bullet with the stars. Super pretty. Definitely looks high-end, like they've been talking about. So this first shade that I'm going to try on is called Foolish. This goes on really smooth too. Okay, so this is Foolish on lips. I really like this color. I think it's a little bit more of a subtle orangey, like burnt orange, than one of the other ones that I tried from the New Theory Lippie 6 collection. Yeah, and it just like feels really nice on the lips. I know it's made with a couple of different oils and it has a lot of nutrients that's just really good for you ingredients, and it does feel really good on the lips. I really like this so far. I'm excited to try this other color that I have, which is Get a Room. That is hot fire. Yeah, this is definitely brighter than Foolish. A lot more orange. Definitely the same consistency though. Like they're both still really smooth, nourishing. Like it just feels really good on my lips, especially since I've been like rubbing all those other colors off. Like my lips feel just super dry and irritated, and this just feels really nice and like comforting. Okay everyone, so overall I really like all of these new products that I tried. I think that the cheek palette that I have is definitely pigmented. I think the color is beautiful. I don't know too much about the highlight part of the palette. I feel like I didn't really do much, but maybe I just didn't use it right. And the Morphe and Bretman collab, you get 6 highlighters for a pretty affordable price, and you know, you can use them on you, your mom, your homie, your boss. You can use them on people of all shades, and it's just worth it. It looks really good. It's just really cool, and for me to be able to support like my fellow Filipino, I'm just very proud to be able to have this in my collection now. And the lippy sticks are all, I mean, I love the colors of most of them except for some of the pinky ones that I don't really wear. Like I don't really wear pinks, but the Matte X formulas are amazing. Like girl, Those were smooth, smooth AF. Like, I'm impressed by those Matte X lippy sticks, and these Lux lipsticks are bomb. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye! Should I throw away these thingies? But they're so pretty. I don't want to throw it away. But what else would I do with it? I'm not gonna, like, it'll be so annoying if I just, like, have to take this out of the thing, the sleeve every time. But it's just, but it's so pretty.